Hi, today I want to show you how to access books on your iPad. So the first thing you will want to do is go to self-service, and we're going to add the Sora app. You can see that I have it on the right side. It's this kind of astronaut looking guy. When you open Sora for the first time, you will see that it says Find My School. So you'll go ahead and click on that, and it may pop up with a Liberty School District building, or it may not. If it doesn't, then you're just at the bottom going to say my school isn't listed, and you can just search by our zip code. So our zip code here in Liberty is 64068, and when you say search, you'll see the Liberty School District pops up. If your building popped up in the beginning, that's great. You can actually choose any Liberty Public School, and you'll be able to access. So I'm going to say this is my school, and then I'm going to say I want to sign in. Click continue. Okay, I'm going to choose my account here to sign in with. If you haven't ever signed in before, then you're going to just put in your username and password. I'm going to type in my password. 1 second. Okay, once you've signed in, this is what you'll see. Depending on how old you are, you'll have access to different levels of books. So as an adult, I can see all of the books in Sora. If you're in elementary school, you'll only see the elementary school books, so some of these won't be available to you. When you scroll down, you can see which books other kids are reading. Here are some popular ones. If I decide I want to read Holy Moly, then I can click on that. And this is going to tell me a little bit about the book, and then when I'm ready, I'll click borrow, and I'll see that it's checking that book out to me. To read this story, I'm just going to swipe or tap on the right side of the screen, and it'll turn the pages. Okay, and this particular book also has narration, so if I click at the bottom,
Carlos saw the cook.
You'll also see that this one in particular will read to you, so that's kind of cool. When I'm finished, I just tap in the middle of the screen, and then I can say close, and it will close my book. Along the bottom, you'll see some menu options. Home is where we started. Explore is where you're going to look for new titles. The shelf will show you what you currently have checked out. Okay, and then the me option on the right will just give you a little bit of statistics on what you've read and how long you've spent on Sora. Now, the other really important thing to note about Sora is that besides accessing books from Liberty Public Schools, you also have access to books from the public library. So I want to make sure we've added the public library to our account. So if I go to the Explore section, I'm going to go back out to where I'm looking for a book. At the top, it says Liberty School District 53, and then it has a little down arrow. I'm going to touch that down arrow, and you can see I have added also my cards for the Kansas City Public Library and the Mid-Continent Public Library. You may not have added Mid-Continent yet, so let's do that. You can click the green bar that says Add a Library. And then just like we did before, you can search by zip code. Also, you can search by Mid-Continent. So if I start and say Mid, I will see that one of these choices, this one right here, Mid-Continent Public Library, is the one we are wanting to add. So I'm going to say this is my library. I've already signed in with my public library account. You will enter your library school username, which is your 4 letters and your 4 numbers, as your username, and your password will actually be your 8-digit birthday. So you'll have 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year of your birthday. If you need help figuring out your 8-digit birthday, you can ask me, you can ask your teacher, or your mom and dad should be able to help with that also. Once you get signed in, just like ours, you're going to see lots of book options, and then as you check them out, they will appear on your shelf, and then you can read them as you have time. So I hope that you love Sora. It's a great way to check out books and read on the go.